Hello guys, welcome to Y'all IT Solutions. This will be the first of our several videos in the future. Let us tell you a little bit about ourselves. We are a team of highly motivated developers and managers, and we specialize in WordPress, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, and reCAPTCHA. So, if you have any needs related to these technologies, feel free to contact us. Now, let us share some useful tips that you can use to secure your WordPress site. I am sure many WordPress users have faced hacking or malware issues on their website. So, without wasting much time, let me share some tips. 1. Login URL. The default login URL of the WordPress admin panel is www.yourdomain.com/wp-admin. We should change it to something else like www.yourdomain.com/new login URL. You can change new login URL to any name of your own choice. 2. Database prefix. When you install WordPress, WordPress adds WP as the default DB prefix. We must change it to something else like XYZ or any other text as prefix of the database name. 3. Two-factor login code. You must set up two-factor login authentication for your admin panel. You may use Google Authenticator for that. 4. Robot verification. For additional security and to prevent spam registrations, implement Google reCAPTCHA, plain maths CAPTCHA, or a honeypot to registration pages. 5. Firewall and file protection. A web application firewall WAF is your website's first line of defense, protecting your site by monitoring traffic and blocking malicious requests. Hence, it is always advisable to use a firewall for your website. Now, the big question is how to perform all of these actions with ease. We highly recommend using a reputed WordPress security plugins for that. Also, keep in mind whenever you install any plugin on your site, always use WordPress.org website and avoid any free plugin from third-party websites. We suggest you to use all-in-one security, a iOS security and firewall plugin to perform these security tasks. This plugin is widely used for WordPress sites and has 1 million plus installations. We personally use this plugin for our clients and have never faced any security issues with the sites. Apart from using this plugin, we also suggest you take a random backup of your website once every couple of months, just in case if something goes wrong. I hope you liked our video, and this video helps you in keeping your business safe and grows your online presence. If you found our content helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share.